I grew up in a town very similar to how this town feels. So, small town feel, a lot of people know everybody, and it was a good adjustment for me as far as coming into a home away from home type place, which is what I was looking for coming to a college. I also had a different kind of approach to picking a school. I was picking more for athletics than I was academics, but I still had that academic aspect in mind. Alright, so right now we're about to enter Price Memorial. This is one of my favorite buildings on campus because a lot of history behind it. It kind of sums up the whole feel of North Georgia and Dahlonega. It's, you know, the gold on top of the steeple is from Dahlonega. Now the gold rush happened in Dahlonega. The president's housed in here, and it used to be the old admissions building. It's the building that's been here since the school was founded, so it's kind of neat to kind of see how it's still here and everything. So we're going to head on in here. It's definitely my favorite building on campus. It's kind of become the icon of Dahlonega because of the gold steeple and how much gold means to the town with the first site of gold rush on the eastern coast and in the United States. There, if you're ever interested in studying abroad, you're going to go right there to the Center for Global Engagement. You'll be able to go finish your degree while living overseas in a different country, so that's neat that we provide that here at the University of North Georgia. This is the registrar's office. We register for all of our classes online, but if you ever have trouble or you need to get into a class that maybe it's blocked or something like that for some reason, go right in there and these nice ladies will hook you up. And then right here, this is a cool part. I talked about the history a little bit of Price Memorial. You can see some of the different writings from people. You know, when people mark on trees and mark on desks in schools, but it's kind of neat that there's markings on walls from people who were in the cadet programs and people who were in the military. And they're still there from the 1800s to the early 1900s. It's kind of awesome. It's almost like there's history that radiates from it with the gold. And when the sun hits off of it, you know exactly where you are. You can kind of use that building to figure out and orient yourself where you are on campus. And it's a good reference point to people who are coming to school. And when I'm a tour guide here, it's really easy to say, all right, find the gold steeple building, and wherever the gold steeple is, go this way or go that way. So, like I said, it's just kind of Dahlonaga's icon.